Have you ever envied someone who can take beautiful shots with their expensive DSLR? I've always wanted one, but they're quite pricey. In fact, I do have a phone like everyone else. Phones are now spec'd out as entry-level PCs. You don't need professional editing programs to get DSLR-like photos. Do you wish to get excellent pictures on your phone? Here's what you can do. Welcome to Snow Creators Lab. Every time I scroll through my Instagram feed, I notice many influencers uploading high-quality pictures that were obviously taken with DSLRs. But when I asked one of my influencer friends, he said that he just uses his phone to shoot images. I understood that we may take and edit high-quality photos on our mobile devices. In this video, I'll show you how to capture photos with your phone and edit them to look like they were taken with DSLR cameras. Let's try portrait photography using our phones. Some people may argue that the iPhone camera has the portrait mode, which automatically blurs the background. Yes, that's true, but consider those that utilize different gadgets. Don't worry if you use an Android or OnePlus. You can also make your smartphone photos look like they were taken with a DSLR. So keep an eye out whether you own an iPhone or not. Because I don't have professional photography abilities or a solid understanding of dealing with angles, I recommend sticking to the fundamentals of photography. Use a center composition or the rule of thirds to keep your audience interested in the visual. You'll benefit greatly from turning on the grid line. Go to your phone settings and look for camera, where you'll find the grid's on-off button. Turn it on so you can see the grid lines when taking pictures. All that's left to do is shoot a lot of photos in the hopes of getting one of good quality. Once you're done with your photos, select one and let's edit it. What do you normally edit your pictures with? I edit them with an app called EPIK. It's an all-in-one photo editing tool. It's also free and you can access all the features without paying. So open up the EPIK app and select the photo you've chosen. The unneeded portions of the image always bother me so much, so I'll always remove them. Click Remove under Tools. You'll notice a bar where you can change the brush's size. You can make the brush smaller if only a tiny portion needs to be removed. I love how it works so smoothly. In what ways, in your opinion, is it possible to make a smartphone photo resemble one that was taken with a DSLR camera? The focal point, indeed. The DSLR camera always focuses on the subject of the photo and blurs out the background and other elements. Thanks to the EPIK app, you can get such an effect applied on your photos of any device. Okay, now let's get back to our picture. To make the topic stand out, I'll blur off the background in this picture. Find the blur section under Effects. By going there will be several possibilities available. For this image, I'll use Gaussian. See? It immediately made the background more blurry. The parts to which the effect is applied can also be changed by clicking the eraser icon. How does it look? Do you notice any quality enhancements in this image? Here's our next step. One of the critical elements that can decide whether a photo is high quality or not is its contrast. Let's use the adjustments to make our image more sophisticated. Go to Adjust, and I'll use Selective for specific edits. By selecting the plus button and dragging it, you may choose where you wish to alter. You can modify the range's size by modifying the FX range bar. Depending on your needs, you can adjust elements like brightness and contrast. To make the subject stand out more, I'll utilize Sharpen and Vignette. Go to Sharpen and slightly raise the portion. The image will appear clearer to you. Let's move on to Vignette. Growing the vignette size immediately draws the viewer's attention, so that's why I enjoy doing it. Vignettes also help people stay focused by excluding background information that may otherwise be seen as distracting. See, the subject has become very noticeable. I'll play around with the curves for a minor tone adjustment. And we're done. Is my photo better now than it was before? Here's my finished picture then. How do you feel? Do you think it's equivalent to the photo taken with a DSLR camera? So, I've explained how I edit DSLR-like photos on my phone. You can also get nice pictures without a DSLR camera. I hope this video gave you some valuable insights. I'll provide a link to EPIK, the photo editing app we used today, in the description. Check it out if you like. Thank you for watching, and for more tips like these, be sure to like and subscribe to Snow Creators Lab.